Digital money and the future. Think about it. When was the last time you used real cash? These days, our money lives inside phones, cards, and apps. Welcome to the world of digital money, where coins and notes are being replaced by clicks and codes. Digital money isn't new. It's simply money that exists electronically, not physically. When you use UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, or a debit card, you're moving digital money from one account to another. No cash, no coins, just instant transfers. In the past decade, technology has changed how we use money. You can pay bills, buy groceries, and send gifts, all from your phone. Businesses receive instant payments. Even small street vendors accept digital payments now. It's faster, safer, and easier than carrying cash. When you transfer money online, it travels through secure systems managed by banks and payment gateways. Every transaction leaves a digital record, which helps track spending, prevent fraud, and build a transparent financial system. But the future of money goes beyond digital payments. Welcome to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are digital currencies that don't belong to any country or bank. They run on something called blockchain, a super secure online ledger that records every transaction. Think of blockchain like a diary that everyone can see but no one can erase. It keeps track of who owns what, safely and transparently. To keep up, even governments are creating digital currencies, like India's digital rupee or China's yuan. These are like cryptocurrencies, but officially managed by central banks. They combine the convenience of digital payments with the trust of real currency. In the future, you might pay with your watch, your fingerprint, or even your voice. Artificial intelligence could help you manage your budget, invest wisely, and save automatically. Money will become more invisible, yet more powerful. But with great technology comes great responsibility. Always keep passwords safe. Don't share OTPs or bank details. Be smart about online scams. Because the safest wallet isn't just digital, it's a smart mind. So, from barter to Bitcoin, what a journey! In our final episode, we'll wrap it all up and see how understanding money helps you make wiser, happier choices in life. Don't miss the grand finale of the story of money.